everyone, and thank you for joining us today here at the Taubman Museum of Art. We're in our Porterfield Education Center to share with you the art project that goes along with the reading of Art Dog that we did earlier. And we are going to be creating today our own version of Art Dog, and this is very, very simple and lots of fun. All you need are a pencil, a Sharpie if you have one, and some markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you have around the house. You can use a regular sheet of paper. I'm using a slightly larger sheet because my hand's a little bit bigger than y'all's, so I want to be able to show you how to do his body and everything as well. So we'll get started. We're going to use our hands to help us trace for his face. And you're going to do that by putting your hand on your sheet of paper like this with your thumb kind of up, okay? Then you're going to loosely trace around your hand. You don't have to go around each finger. You actually just kind of want to round about them like this. Come back. All right. Now, what we're going to do is this part is actually going to become his beret. So I'm going to continue his little face up here. And I'm gonna make an ear. Boop, there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna draw a line from the bottom part of his ear here to the base of his beret. And then we gotta give him his little stick up here. Okay, perfect. Now we gotta give him a nose. So you just wanna give him a little nose like right here. Here we go. And then our eyes are like a teardrop shape, right? So we want to do a sideways teardrop just under our beret here. And do that there, okay? Then we want to create a circle and a smaller circle in that. Okay, now we have his eye. Okay, now our art dog has to go incognito. So he has to have his little mask. So we're going to create the mask by starting about halfway through the nose here. And we're just going to do a swoop all the way to the back of his beret. Okay? And our art dog is very happy. So we're going to draw a little smiley face there. There he is. There's our art dog. Okay, now we're going to create our art dog's body. So since my art dog is wearing a turtleneck, so your art dog can wear whatever they want. You can do just a little bit for the neck here, okay? And then we want to create the shoulder. And for that, we're just going to go around just like this. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, that went off the page a little bit. That's okay. Wherever your drawing takes you. Okay, okay. So there's his arm, and we're going to give him a little paw here. He's got to hold his paintbrush. Just gonna draw just like you would a mitten. So there's the thumb, and here's the rest of our mitten, or our paw here. And then we gotta draw our paintbrush. Just a little oval here. And then there's the grippy part of the paintbrush, or that little metal piece. Yeah. And another teardrop for the tip of our paintbrush. There you go. Perfect. Now, your art dog can be creating whatever they want. I decided that my art dog was going to create that kind of starry sky that he created at the end of the book, but your art dog can draw whatever they want. So I'm going to make a canvas here by just drawing a square. And then you can fill in that square with whatever you want. You could draw a house, you could draw another dog, maybe a paw print. But remember, when you finished your artwork, you should always sign it. Because remember, Art Dog always signed his artwork. So I'm going to pretend like I'm Art Dog. And sign it there. Okay, all you have to do is color it in and create your image. If you complete yours, take a picture of it and tag us in this post. We'd love to see it. Thanks for joining us.